Do you ever experience discomfort or pain in your abdomen? Do you sometimes feel fatigued or unwell, even if you're eating a healthy diet? If so, you might be one of the millions of people who are living with a fatty liver. What is fatty liver? Fatty liver is a condition where fat accumulates in the liver, causing it to become enlarged and inflamed. Over time, this can lead to serious health problems, including liver damage and even liver failure. If you're experiencing symptoms of fatty liver, it's important to see a doctor or healthcare provider who can diagnose the condition and recommend treatment. In the meantime, there are some things you can do to help manage your symptoms and improve your liver health. 5 tips for managing fatty liver. Here are 5 tips for managing fatty liver. Watch your diet, cut back on sugar and refined carbohydrates, and focus on eating whole, nutrient-dense foods. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity can help you maintain a healthy weight and reduce inflammation in the liver. Avoid alcohol. Drinking alcohol can be particularly damaging to the liver, so it's important to avoid it if you have fatty liver. Manage your weight. Losing weight can help reduce the amount of fat in your liver and improve your overall health. Get regular checkups. Regular medical checkups can help you monitor your liver health and catch any issues early on. In addition to these lifestyle changes, there are some natural remedies that may help support liver health, such as milk thistle and dandelion root. However, it's important to speak with a healthcare provider before taking any supplements or making significant changes to your diet. With fatty liver can be challenging, but with the right diet and lifestyle changes, it's possible to manage your symptoms and improve your liver health. By taking care of your body and staying on top of your health, you can live a full and vibrant life. Thanks for tuning into this video about fatty liver. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. And as always, be sure to consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or lifestyle. See you next time.